Reit, heddiw mae brenhines darlledu Cymru yn dod yma I siarad efo ni.
Yeah, I'm quite nervous about this.
The Queen of Broadcasting in Wales, Angharad Mair.
Oh, exciting.
We've got to be on it today.
We will be on it like a car bonnet. Let's do this.
Ti'n iawn.
Okay. That just rhymes. Doesn't make any sense. Okay,
Right,
Angharad.
Iawn, Angharad.
Give me some facts. Give me something I don't know.
Okay, well, o'n I ddim yn gwybod, cafodd Angharad ei geni yn Llanelli. She was born in Llanelli.
No way.
Ond cafodd hi ei
Maggie?
brought up,
Yeah.
yng Nghaerfyrddin. Dechreuodd Angharad yn gweithio ar raglen I plant, rhaglen o'r enw Billy Dokar. Wyt ti'n cofio?
Billy Dokar, no.
Mae'n rhy ifanc.
Fi'n
Too
sorry.
young I gofio Billy Dokar.
Yeah.
Fel Blue Peter Cymraeg.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
rhaglen I bobl ifanc fel yna.
Pedyr glas.
Yn union. Ac wedyn, aeth hi I weithio ar newyddion. Oedd hi'n darllen y newyddion.
Darllen newyddion.
Oeddet ti'n gwybod bod hi'n arfer rhedeg lot, rhedeg marathons?
Yeah.
Reit te, beth am
Let's
I
go.
ni fynd ati? Beth sydd gennym ni gynta?
Routine. I love a bit of
Adolygu.
routine. Routine. Do you? Did you? Did you?
Do you?
Do you?
Do you? Neu you do.
You do.
Depending on y llais. So, you live in the Vale.
Wyt ti'n live? Byw yn y fail.
Yn y Vale. If in doubt, put a Welsh accent on, say the English
Anifail,
word.
that's animal in Welsh.
Yn y fro.
Yn y fro.
Yn y fro.
The Vale is the fro.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then beth am, what do you like about living in the Vale?
Beth wyt ti'n hoffi am byw yn y fro?
Ferchog. Little mutation ar ôl am. Iawn.
Sa'n siŵr. Sa'n gwybod. Anyway.
Reit te, nesa. Beth di hwn?
Sa'n siŵr. Newydd.
Newydd I ti.
Okay.
Okay.
Ro ti'n arfer.
Arfer. You used to. O ti'n arfer, did you used to run marathons, we could ask her?
Ro ti'n arfer redeg marathon.
Da iawn. Felly, statement, ro ti'n arfer rhedeg marathon.
Oh, that's a statement, isn't
Yeah.
it? So the question is, o ti'n?
Yeah.
O ti'n arfer a marathon?
Exactly.
Oh, easy one. Okay, I thought it was going to be difficult.
Yeah,
Anyway,
Iawn.
nesa is wyt ti'n dal I.
Yeah, which is?
I don't know what, my brain's fried.
Do you still?
Do you still? Wyt ti'n dal
Ti'n gweld,
I.
so kind of the same thing. Did you used to? Are you still? So, are you still writing or do you still write?
Wyt ti'n dal I ysgrifennu
In Golwg magazine.
mewn golwg?
Yn Golwg.
Yn golwg.
Okay, that was a bit of a slow start, but we'll be...
What do you mean now,
We'll
slow
be
start?
fantastic pan mae Angharad yn
I
actually
think I'm going to build up to it. I don't want to peak too early.
Ti'n iawn.
You see?
Beth am i ni wylio Angharad ar heno?